little bit of much of English and then we'll back and forth and stuff. Which of course I know you.
Yeah.
You good. You express yourself, right?
Yeah.
All right. Now Mufasa Palago. Why that name? What's your real name?
My real name is Dennis Otin Anane. That's my real name.
Dennis Otin Anane.
Yeah.
So why Palago and not Dennis
Archipalago is my nickname, which was given to me by my class teacher, primary school teacher.
Oh, it was a primary school teacher who gave you Palago.
Yeah, it has been with me from ever since. You know, the teacher loved me, so he gave me that name. And then as growing, and I added the Mufasa to the Palago.
Of course.
Because Mufasa is king of the jungle.
King of the jungle.
And I know I'm the king of the youth, king of the jungle, wherever, being social media entertainment, the way I address my issues and everything, I feel like a king, you know.
Palago, I have known you for barely almost about 15, if I'm right. You've been in this system
I've been
15 to 20 years now.
Yeah.
You started when you were showing people how to eat fufu, kokonte, and PC, how to pound fufu and stuff, and people saw you to be like, oh, this guy is just a comedian. He's just doing something. But it looks like from that section, boom, all we heard was Archipalago, now a musician.
Yeah, you know, I'm not a comedian, you know. I'm just funny in my own way, you know. I spit real facts in a funny way. Yeah, a lot of entertainers, they spit fairy tales, but Archipalago issued a fast, you know. Yeah, so as it was going, I'm a music fan. Everybody knows I've been addressing a lot of artists.
Yeah, because I remember when music, or was it Guinness something? We had a program.
Yeah, music, way back. Music.
Back.
These kids know nothing about music.
And even before the music, Guinness Ghana Limited, we had a program at the Kumasi Stadium.
Yeah.
And if you could remember, there was this rap competition.
Yes.
And you tore it up.
Yeah.
And then the brothers.
Yeah, people, they didn't know that I was into music because I love music. I used to talk about artists and you know, so I was a music lover. So this is the time I decided to step in music and let people know that I got a talent already, not that I'm just playing with this music.
People say you are controversial.
I understand.
So
I'm a very controversial
person.
Yeah, I'm a very controversial being, and I love.
Why that controversial sessions?
I've been controversial.
Is that what makes you popular?
I'm not talking about popular. When you talk of popular, I was popular before social media.
Right.
Because my controversy made that teacher give me that name Archipalago. Because in school, whatever is going to happen, good or bad, I was part of it. So the teacher used to tell me, you what they are saying, be a crowd, you know. Yeah. So I've been a controversial guy before social media, and I love being controversial. Controversial.
Does it really pay?
Pay like
do you really make some good money from
YouTube. When I started YouTube, you know, we one of the pioneers who started YouTube when it comes to Ghana.
Right.
Yeah, so I used to get paid, but when I came here, I slowed down a bit. So right now the money is not on the money from YouTube is not coming as it used to be, because YouTube
have to be paid.
YouTube, you have to devote yourself for YouTube, doing videos now and then. You know, out here I have to go to work. I can't rely on YouTube.
The bills are there.
Yeah, the bills are there. You got to pay the bills. It's like living in a hotel room. If you're not paying, you're gonna be evicted. You know. You know what I'm saying? So talking about the controversy, I love being controversial, and it's part of what have brought me this far. Right. Because any issue that comes up concerning entertainment, movie, everything,
you speak your mind out.
Yeah, I've been that. Real but funny. That's my description.
Okay. Now talking about this controversial, you being a controversial, should people take you serious when you say certain things? Because just yesterday I watched your post and it was like, the government of Ghana should ban fufu eating.
Yeah.
Take you serious.
Yeah, they you know what?
Or it's just one of these.
More times it's about it's 50-50. You have to take me serious at times. People have to know when to take me serious and when the time like when to take me serious and when to know that I'm just playing. You know, yeah.
Because I remember,
you know what? People have taken me too serious to the extent that it has become a hate. You know, but I'm doing all this for entertainment.
All right, so for those of you joining me live on Sky 102.1, the one and only Papa Sly. Today I'm having the most, he said it himself, the most controversial musician and entertainer. He says he's not a comedian, he's an entertainer.
True story.
And a musician, Archipalago, who had the name from elementary school, right?
Yeah, elementary school.
When he was being controversial. Now, my next question, or my next issue is, it looks like people can't really dive into what you are doing.
Yeah, true story.
Because me in particular, because I've been in the showbiz for almost 20 to 25 years now, I know when somebody is looking up to something. I told a friend of mine, Ibrahim Polo,
yeah,
when she started, people were like, that girl, what is she doing? She's showing her nakedness and stuff. I said, look, she's trying to buy into the ideas of people that she exists. And the same thing applies to you.
Yeah, that's a good strategy, you know. She saw me, she saw whatever I was doing, so she was following my footsteps.
Were you having a beef with her?
It was not like a beef, you know, but sometimes
I see you.
Yeah, I addressed her. Yeah, she's a lady, so I wanted her to behave as such in certain parts, not on her twerking
lifestyle.
But certain things she used to say, I wanted her to, you know.
But to me, I see her as she has that kind of business minded.
Yeah. That's what she's doing. Yeah, you know, it at first it won't be business, but it will turn to business. You know, right now, Cardi B and everything are involved. So right now, people are taking her serious. You know, Ghanaians, you know, they don't want to take you serious. They don't want to value you until they see that a foreigner is, you know.
Of course.
Yeah.
There's a saying, Jesus Christ was not even accepted in the poor people.
Yes.
Right.
You know.
But we, the outsiders, have
the same thing applies to me. You know.
Of course.
People, some of people hate me just because I'm in America or something. Because I don't understand. Because even if the things I want to do, I haven't even started yet. But
Mufasa,
straight up and down, no doubt about that.
Yet.
No, you have to support me. I'm a Ghanaian, you know. I'm living in America.
I do.
It doesn't
I
eat
do
your you. I know it doesn't eat your food.
You.
It doesn't bring problem to you.
Right?
And, you know, just support me. Just that I'm addressing.
You pull him down.
As for me, I'm the number one representation of pull him down because they don't understand whatever I've been doing.
Right.
That's what I'm saying. Take it 50-50. Take me serious at times and take it as an entertainment at times.
Right.
You know, I'll be serious with an issue. I'm always serious with on a serious issue.
Right. Like when Cardi B went to Ghana, you did advise.
Very good. That's a serious issue. You know what? I address people like Hajia Pharrell. I addressed her very seriously. But she, knowing the entertainment side of me and what I do, they didn't take it serious. She just followed me on Instagram, and you know, before we used to conversate. When she was here, I meet her and everything, and you know,
I've seen you with a video.
Yeah, and people like, you know, the industry players, they know what I'm doing, but their fans don't understand.
Like that.
So right now, as I've stepped into music, I want to stop that one. To be honest with you, because the hate is too much.
Actually, if I understood what you just said, the thing that brought you into the limelight, that exposed you to the general public, you want to put a stop to it.
I'm not stopping it. I'm not stopping it. I'm not totally stopping it. I'm not stopping it.
Don't you think if you put a stop to it, it makes you a coward? That because
people I
don't see cowardice in you. I don't see cowardice. You are one person. I would say
our people. You our people
had to be broken down.
Yeah.
So why would you put a stop to
not
the
really
thing
putting a stop to it, but I'm just saying it for people to understand that they have to understand that whatever I'm doing is an entertainment.
Right.
You know.
Right.
That's what I want them to understand. I can't stop and I won't stop because.
So why not speed it up?
Speed it up like how?
Like forget about those haters and take it to
I've always forgotten about them. If it wasn't so, I wouldn't have come this far. Right. Even if when I started doing music, look at Meji. You know, the way Ghanaians insulted me and everything. If I wasn't hard or if I was coward, I would have even stopped. I wouldn't even have brought Obano.
Okay.
You see?
Now you just talking about your music career. Let's dive a little bit into your music career. Archipalago.
I know they will say that my English is not good and all that, but you know, that's me.
Who cares?
And that's me. People, the Spanish people are we living with them out here. They don't care about English. They don't care about whatever. But our people, you know, there's some sort of illiteracy among Ghanaians.
Right.
You know, and I know that they will only know that when they travel. And I am praying to God for them to travel and see.
All right, well, those of you. Okay, somebody asked something. Brofo is on fire.
Yeah, I intentionally decided to speak English.
All right,
and even my English will make you laugh, so it's all part of the entertainment.
It's all part of the entertainment. Yeah, I mean, like people. I like that guy so much. Whenever he's addressing an issue, she makes it clear that
they don't understand. They don't even understand it if. I'm even speaking it intentionally in this way. They don't even understand. It's all part of entertainment, you know.
People said, and when I say people, let me mention name over here. One time, have you ever had an encounter with Councillor Luttrell?
Councillor Luttrell, he has always been, you know, testing me, but I don't mind him.
Why?
I don't like his vibe. You know, when I don't like your vibe, I don't like because certain things. He says I'm not in supportive of that.
Does it put you over? I don't think just like the way people are not in supportive of you.
No, me in particular, Councillor Luttrell, lately what he said about me, that's what I'm saying.
What did he say?
He said that my song Magic, the way people are dissing me, it will be like it will turn into a depression, and then I will come back to Ghana and I will not go again. Yeah, you don't know if I have documents or not. Look at what he was saying.
Let's not even go there because I remember. I remembered Archipalago. Councillor Luttrell once said, "You if you come to Ghana, there's no way you can go back."
Look at all this.
And then less than a week or two, we saw you in UK.
Yeah, I've been in UK. I've been in Canada. That's the literacy part I've been talking about. People have to know that if you don't have documents, how can you go to Canada or
UK?
You know, up to now, even the what do you call the return of what do you call the year of return?
The year of return. People
they said I couldn't come
because you don't have.
I was enjoying in LA.
Yeah, I saw you
you know, I didn't even post anything when I went to LA. It was in December. So I chose LA over Ghana because I'm not ready to go to Ghana.
No,
you know,
because you need to put certain things right.
Yeah, I chose LA over Ghana because at that time when they were doing their year of return, I was enjoying in LA. I didn't post anything. Right now that I've started posting something about being in LA, you know.
Archipalago.
Straight up and down.
Mufasa.
You know, and they have to know that I'm a very talented musician, and then they should check me out and look at the video.
We're going to talk much about your music, but let me ask you this: where do you get those kind of funny jargons or the slogan?
Yeah, my terms,
your terms and stuff.
Yeah.
Why you sit down and then you listen to somebody and says, okay, let me add this fragrance to this, and then
you are smart.
Malantine.
You are smart. Yeah. Sometimes I create it in my own. Sometimes when I listen to somebody and I'll just remove a word and add mine to it.
Right. That is what we call creativity.
Yeah. It will be a term when nobody has ever heard about it.
Your latest one is what?
Sepe you what? Sepe Iwa. You know. Sepe Iwa. Sepe Iwa. And even if people have already heard it, I can make it a term to like Allah Walai. You know, God has blessed me with this kind of like.
You know, this
attitude.
Allah Walai thing. It's been spoken time and time.
Yeah, it has already been there. But the way I would say
you added some kind of
spice.
You know,
Allah Walai. You know,
yeah, I like that face.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what.
All right, somebody just sent this test. It says, Archipalago is always on glasses, but I know you.
Who said that?
So just take it off. Let people see you.
That's me.
Man, you got a handsome face, man.
Yeah.
You are very cute.
Yeah, I'm very handsome, and I got.
Why do you always want to put on the goggles, the shades as well?
Yeah, because no, my future is too bright for me to see, so that's why I always,
Money. That's how his future is too bright, so he always put on glasses to see it way down further right. Okay, and trust me, we surging on. Now back to your music career. Actually, what should people expect? You've dropped so far. How many tracks? How many tracks do you have?
I have three tracks now. Meji, Obano, and Alawalai.
Oh, okay.
And they should expect more, and they should expect the unexpected.
Those are singles.
Yeah, singles.
Those are singles.
Yeah, my album will be out later this year.
And how many tracks should we expect?
15 tracks.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm not playing.
Don't you think it's too much?
No, it's not too much.
Maybe I'm talking from the experience wise that dropping 15 tracks on an album will be too much. So why not split it up? Drop part 1 of the album and drop part 2 of the album.
Okay, I'll talk to my management and see
like
if that will be okay. I'll talk to my management and see if that will be okay.
It's a free counseling. I'm just giving.
Yeah, I got you. Because you are a pioneer in the game, I understand where you're coming from. You know.
Okay. Actually, do you have a plan of featuring any top musicians?
I'm in for features. You know, and then I have a problem with this one. They think my fellow musicians, they think I'm a threat or something.
A threat?
But I'm in this game and I have no competition. I have zero competition. I'm just having fun.
You don't have any competition?
Yeah, like I am competing with myself. I'm not competing with my fellow artists.
Oh, okay.
That's what I want them to see.
But it's maybe the way you present your. People see you on social media, the way you.
Yeah, they know that I'm very powerful.
That maybe gives it a little bit kind of like threatening to them.
Yeah, I'm very, very powerful, and I'm living in America too, so I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised if they are scared.
Mufasa, I love that. You're living in America.
Yeah, America,
the land of opportunities.
You know.
All right, taking the time now.
I'll just I'm
21 minutes past the hour 2. I'm here inside the studios of Sky 102.1 with my man Archipalago. Somebody just sent it as he said, "Guy, Sack, why you the Palago get beef? Do you have a beef with Sarkodie?
I don't have beef with nobody. I don't have.
Have you beefed anybody?
I don't have beef with no artist. The only beef I had was with Shatta Wale. That was a personal one, you know.
Was it a personal one? I to me, when I look at it from the behind curtains, let me put it this way, behind curtains, I see it as a strategy to kind of like.
That one wasn't a strategy, to be honest with you. That was it was a really beef, but right now I have no problem with him. I have no problem with him right now, you know. Yeah, that one I would say that it was a beef. Aside that, I have beef with no artist.
So
and talking of Sarkodie,
have you guys smoked the peace pipe now?
Yeah. There's no problem. Yeah.
So if Shatta Wale comes, or he says, okay, actually, let's do something.
He won't come because he's scared of me.
So I mean,
I'll go to him. And I know my guy. That's why I've given him a space for him to enjoy now. You know, when I want to do.
when
I
it
know,
gets long, it becomes
I'm
cool.
in this industry to stay. I ain't going nowhere.
You ain't going nowhere.
Yeah.
Right.
So I just want to do a couple of singles and then call him. Yo, Wale, what's up? Let's do this. He knows me. He knows I got the people.
Oh, so you guys have a contact, right?
Oh,
I mean, you have the masses.
yeah, he
Trust
knows.
me.
He knows
You
I have the
masses.
people. That's why
He also has
he
the
came
masses.
to be friends with me.
So when the two
He
of
knows
you,
what I can do, and I'm sure that he has seen my video and was surprised. And
I won't be surprised he's watching you now.
He has couple of fake accounts,
You
so
think
he
it's
might
him
be
or
watching me.
people who rather create a fake account.
No, I
I
know
don't think
him.
it's
I
him.
know him. Wale. He's online 24/8, not 24/7. 24/8. Shatta Wale is online. I know he's watching me. I got laugh for him, and he knows that. Just that sometimes he behaves, differently. And talking of Sarkodie, I don't have no beef with Sarkodie. Sarkodie is the only one in the industry who really understands me well. At first, it was Shatta. Sarkodie understands me well, even if I'm talking about him. People see it as negative, but he knows where I'm coming from.
Respecting him.
Yeah, and I really respect him for that. Sarkodie, I really Stonebwoy, all the artists.
Because I listen to your music and you are like Stonebwoy, oh yeah.
Yes.
My boss and
Yeah, I say shout out to Get Them Sugar, big up to Stonebwoy. Yeah. So that's why I give all of them shout out, but none of them has shared my video. But and I'm not.
Are you bothered about?
I'm not bothered. I'm not worried because I made a video about it because my fans they kept being on my nerves.
When they bring their
I
videos, you talk about it and you share it, helping promoting them.
Yeah.
So why they're not doing that for you? Is it because
that's what I'm saying. When they saw the video, I think they realized that damn, this guy means business.
Because the music was kind of like it shook them and then they sit up right.
Yeah. So they don't want me to get their numbers and everything, but I'm trying. I got God being so good, I got my numbers already. Just that their fans hated me because they thought I was talking bad about them. But that's not
so
my idea.
Why not make rumors with them like smoke the peace pipe?
I don't have no problem with no artists.
Yeah, so kind of like
that's why I told you that
way.
I've just stepped in the music industry, so I'm gonna limit the way I address people for their fans to know that I don't hate nobody.
So far on Facebook, we have almost like 250 people watching you. I'm going to give you this opportunity, and I know people are going to share this video. I'm going to give you this golden opportunity. Archie, 2 musicians in Ghana that you would love to do a collaboration with them.
2 musicians
in Ghana.
Yeah,
that you would love to do a collaboration with them. Spit it out.
Sarkodie and Stonebwoy, and Shatta Wale if he's ready.
So, Shatta Wale, Stonebwoy,
Sarkodie,
and Sarkodie.
Yeah, the 3S.
All right. So
you can add Samini to it.
So let's make it 4.
Yeah.
Okay. Instead of the Trinity, he says the Fonity. So, Archipalago has said it, and today he just spit it live on Sky 102.1. I go by the name PAPXY Papa Slider, indefatigable, the undisputed radio presenter. Archipalago says he's ready to do a collaboration with Stonebwoy, Sarkodie, Shatta Wale, and Samini. Instead of the Trinity, he says the Fonity. So tonight, it's been lovely having you.
Yeah, but you know what? I met Samini in London, and then I'm yet to send him a song for him to jump on it.
No, talking about meeting Samini in London. I know your time is fast spent. You got to.
Yeah, I got to go to work. Well, what is the time?
2:27.
Oh, okay.
So, my final question to you: when you meet the musicians, I saw you at Stonebwoy. When you meet those top up musicians when they come to US, when you meet them, what's the reactions? What's your interactions with them?
That's why I always say that I'm a star to the stars. I'm a star to the stars.
Wow.
So when I meet them, it's a whole different vibe. You know, the way the attitude towards me and everything, you can see that they got love for me. And then, But just that when they didn't expect me to do music, you know.
Yeah, because they
were
looking at you at the comic section,
like a funny guy, entertainment guy. You know.
So when you came into the
music, I think the behavior has changed a little bit or will change. You know, but maybe they won't show it to me. But I'm using this platform to tell them that they should just, you know, accept me, like, you know, though I'm an entertainer, but I was doing music before coming on social media, but they never saw it, and
right.
you know what I'm saying. And you know, whom you say, you know, I'm not just an entertainment guy. I'm coming to music and coming to ask for collaboration, features, and everything.
What kind of music do Archipalago do?
I do world music.
Hip life.
World music. I do hip life, hip hop, Afro beats, dance music. They should expect more. As I was saying, they should expect the unexpected, because the songs I'm about to release is going to be a pandemonium. Trust me, and people will be really surprised. Like how they got surprised when I released the Magic, you know, yeah. So they should expect more from me. And then, as I was saying, the artists in Ghana, they shouldn't see me as
a threat.
Like a threat. I'm in for mines. We can do a collaboration and everything. So you know,
basically, you mean your business. You are not into kind of like.
Yeah, I mean my business. I'm not. Yeah. I'm not looking down upon nobody and everything. Let's all do this for Ghana, because Nigerians, the Nigerians, they do it. When you see them out here, they do it. That's why they have taken over the radio stations in New York and everything. They do it. You see the video connecting Zlatan to him, connecting Naira Marley, connecting these kind of guys. That's what we got to do. You know, it's all for Ghana, one Ghana, because we can't sit down and let these Nigerians be upon us like they are always ahead of us, because we are not united. Nah, it can't be. So, and as I was saying, I'm a God sent to Ghanaian entertainment and beyond.
Archipalago.
Straight up and
I
down.
hate to ask this question because it's kind of like, you know, the women will always go like, okay, is Archipalago married? Is he a family man?
Yeah.
Is Archie married?
I'm not married, but I'm engaged.
Engaged.
I'm engaged.
Is that a woman you did your
Yeah, I'm Obano. I'm here to get married. I'm engaged. So I will invite you, be the MC.
All right, so let me set the record straight. Archipalago just played it out in Sky FM. I'm his MC for his wedding. Whether you like it
straight up and down,
straight
no doubt
up
about
and
it.
down. The guy is engaged.
Yeah.
So all the ladies, if you see Archipalago, Archie is not a single guy. He's engaged. But catch us up and what? What we need. Actually, it's been wonderful having you in the studio. I know it's time for you to hit the road. But before you go, your final message to your fans and your haters.
Palago Nation, you know, that's the name of my fans. That's my fan base. They are Palago Nation. At first it was Army, but you know, the way I brought the Urbano video and how they accepted it, that's why I've changed the name to Nation, because they have become large now.
It's becoming large.
Yeah, it's Palago Nation. So I want to tell Palago Nation that check my video on YouTube, you know. And I don't understand why the bloggers, they're not talking about my video.
It's not part of their haters. You don't know.
Yeah, you know what? Because when Magic came, they dissed me. When Magic came, you will see on every blog, hey, Archipalago Magic, what kind of song?
But I think that was a good stuff for you, though.
Yeah, but why?
Let them hate you.
Why are they not doing the same to Urbano? Since they saw that the video is dope, it's 4K, it's world class, it's top class, and it's even the video of the year.
They're not talking about it.
Why? That's what I'm saying. There is no unity in our industry. Support me. I don't have to.
Ghana music has no future.
It has. If we unite, it has a future, because these Nigerians, they learn all the high life and everything. Afrobeat is Ghanaian instruments. You know, we just have to be united and then we will go far.
So it's a unity that we are lacking.
We're lacking unity. Matthew Macau, you guys are quite what the American also knew what human now born human say. And so we know why me fear me call human. So you know what I'm saying? Any pandiana way. Oh, when you tell the demo America, I don't know what the new buy any support to. Nah, I'm doing this for Ghana.
Right.
And it's not and you say chinchina is kind of any paper.
No.
Because me juma. It's for fun. But it's business attached to it. So you just support me like how you supported, how you dissed me when Magic came out. You know, put it on the blogs. One blogger. Did you see our conversation with Zion Felix? You know, my video was out. He didn't post my video, but he posted a video I was addressing somebody.
Right.
You know what? You know, I have a good word there. You posting the negative one.
I should say
But boy, you know, they can't pull me down. You know, me tintimayi. And got one. Sepe you are. So bad boy. Tintimayi. So men on the part sending to me, as I keep saying. So they should support me rather than wanting to pull me down. I'm a feeling guy. If you see me, I just be controversial sometimes, but it's all part of entertainment. Just understand it. Oh,
right.
Boy, with it. And just I'm going to get there. You know, this time we say beef, anywhere. Social media get there. You know, it's all part of it. So they just have to accept.
I think Archipalago, I need to beef you one of these days.
Then your numbers will go up. If you beef me, your numbers will go up. People beef me to get famous.
There's no way I'm going to beef Archipalago. Of course, you know I always.
But when it comes, we will do it.
No, I will not even start it because you see me as a big brother.
Yeah. Oh, biggest brother. And
I
must commend you for this because I used to watch you on TV in Ghana, TV3, music,
right.
And I used to listen to you on radio and everything. And then I must commend you for this. You are a very kind person, even though you are older than me, but you are humble, and then you treat me as your age mate and everything. And I really thank you for that. And you know, the industry, new people have come into the industry, and then all they do is disrespect. You know, but they have to give respect to the OGs like you.
Right.
You know. I really, you know, respect you a lot, and I'm grateful for you for having
Thank you
for having
Thank
me here.
you
You know,
very much.
Yeah, because that times when you say Papa Sly, with TV3, so now they file big and one trade your MC. No, don't go there. Papa Sly.
Archipalago, flapping me inside the studios of Sky 102.1. Somebody says, "Oh, Palago, you've really made my day."
Yeah, that's
okay. The tones are coming. I like this. Somebody says, "I like this." You've really said it all. All right, the guy has said it all. It's time for me to let him off the hook. I go by the name PAPXLY, Sky 102.1. Catch me every Wednesday on Pemoka, Saturday on Entertainment Review. We'll be jamming out. It's been wonderful having you.